fifth grade cello players. This is a song called Go Tell Aunt Rhody, and this is what it sounds like. So our first notes are F, F, E, D, D, and that's F sharp. So let's try that. Echo me. F, F, E, D, D. One more time. F, F, E, D, D. And E, E, F, E, D. One more time. E, E, ready, go. Awesome, let's put those parts together. F, F, E, D, D, ready, here you go. The next part sounds like this. So be my echo. A, G, F, sharp. One more time. 1, 0, 1, 3, 0. Try it slower. 1, 0, 1, 3, 0. Go. One more time again. Okay, a little faster. 1, 0, 1, 3, 0. Okay, let's try from here. A, G, F, sharp. 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, go! One more time from A, G, ready, go! Okay, so we learned all of this. Listen first. F sharp, 1, 2, and go now. Awesome, let's try it one more time. Find F sharp, 1, 2, and go now. Next part sounds like this. Okay, let's try that. Be my echo. F, F, G, A, A. And B, B, A, G, F. Okay, let's put those parts together. Listen first. F, F, G, A, ready, here you go. And that repeats, so try it one more time. 1, 2, and go now. Okay, well, it kind of repeats. It's a little bit of a different ending. Okay, let's put both parts together. Listen first. Okay, so the ending, sorry, I'm going to back it up. The ending is different. It's B, B, A. Try that. Ready, go. Okay, so they're the same except for the ending. All right, let's try those parts together. F sharp, 1, 2, and go now. Fabulous. Let's bring it back all the way to the beginning and try all of that. Starting with F sharp, F, get ready to play, here you go. F sharp. Awesome. Let's try one more time. Find F sharp. 1, 2, and go now. F sharp. Awesome. The ending sounds just like the beginning. This is what it sounds like. So let's review that. Echo me. F, F, E, D, D. E, E, F, E, D. A, G, F, sharp. 1, O, 1, 3, O. Okay, let's try the entire song. Starting with F sharp. 1, 2, and ready, go. All right, awesome job. Keep up the great work.